Welcome to part 3 of our Life in a Nutshell series. Hi, my name is Dave from the Piecer Institute, an institute that dedicates itself to researching the mechanism of life. Why can life be so difficult? Can there really be some truly effective solutions? This video is about our company history, our institute's history, the life solutions that we devised, and the effectiveness of these solutions. In a way, this video is about a research institute that has the potential to change the world. When his father suffered a sudden stroke in 1992, David Dee, the founder of the Piecer Institute, began to search for a cure for his father's illness. In the course of his search, he began to have questions about why people get sick and why do they age prematurely, which led to a deeper exploration and study of life. In the course of his research, David was exposed to various doctrines, which led him to seek the reality of life. After years of searching, David learned some ways to help people and gained a new understanding of life. In the process of helping people, he began to share his understanding of life, attracting a group of like-minded people who were interested in the exploration of life and joined him in his research. In the year 2000, the research center was opened in Hong Kong, and more people came to the center to learn about the research and to try and solve their own inner puzzles. The research center shares these concepts with those who are interested. What people reported is that when they applied these concepts, their lives started to change, becoming more calm, happier, and healthier. As a result, the research center decided to start sharing its understanding of the workings behind life to help more people who wanted to learn more about this subject, which today has developed into an education course, which we call the Symposiums. This is one of our core research offerings. Since its opening, people have been coming to the Research Center for answers to their health, emotional, relationship, and financial problems. In addition to education, the Research Center started to develop techniques and products to help them achieve happiness, well-being, health, and even being more youthful in order to improve the quality of their lives. The development continued, and the Institute has now evolved into a platform for research, education, products, services, testing, consultancy, and sales. In this platform, the people who work at the Institute practice our research findings and apply it to their work and to their lives. The result is a unique culture of harmony and unity. This culture in turn attracts people of many races, nationalities, and disciplines to participate in this research and help with customer service. Up to now, our team has included people from China, Hong Kong, UK, France, USA, Greece, Norway, Switzerland, Canada, Australia, Germany, and many other countries. Although we come from different places, we all share the same values. By applying the concept of the mechanics of life, David's newfound understanding of the workings of life, we have brought about a new understanding and a change in our own lives, making us happier and healthier, and we have made our life's work. So we continue to grow, and more people are being transformed, and more people are joining us, because we feel the same happiness when we help others become happy and at peace. More and more people choose to walk with us, and in turn, help others. David, the founder of the Institute, has continued his research, helping many people with his findings and attracting those who have benefited from his research to join him. He shares his understanding of life with everyone with enthusiasm and without reservation. At first, simply by sharing, but then the people he has helped suggested that he do some systematic education, and later on he has conducted seminars. David thought it would be a good idea to help more people, so he started developing products and inventing the coding infusion technology. This was part of developing what we now call the Piecer system, our way of proving some solutions to the problems and difficulties that people were bringing to us. The electronic, conscious data recorded in our DNA that we term as codes are actually wavelengths and different spectrums of electromagnetic frequencies. We design and produce our own codes, which emit an equal and opposite phase of these harmonics to counteract the destructive frequencies generated by our inherited DNA structure. This modulation effect neutralizes and reprograms the stored data, so the reprogrammed DNA emits less and less of the radioactive frequencies, and the cells can naturally heal themselves. The effectiveness of our technology is not based on the chemistry level, as usual in science, but on a conscious level never before achieved or understood by science. Even though many scientists have searched for this type of understanding and this type of solution. By reprogramming and re-educating the mindset of the cells, there is a chance of a more balanced and appreciative outlook on life. With such a breakthrough of a completely new level of science, we can possibly revolutionize the entire medical and pharmaceutical industry. With these new possibilities, we could create a new industry, a new science, a new culture. An example is cancer. The generation of emotions, which are recorded as electronic data on DNA, can induce the abnormal growth of cells, often referred to as a tumor or a cancer. To record rapidly generated electronics data, additional cells have to be devised by our body to rapidly retain the data. To reverse this process, our products have been designed to neutralize and eradicate these data. Therefore, the additional cells are no longer needed, and the cell division will naturally halt, and the tumor will reverse. Similarly, if we can alter the thinking pattern of the cell's DNA, by re-educating them, reprogram the DNA with our codes, we would also potentially or theoretically reverse the process of virtually any disease. So what have been the results? The company has launched a wide range of products, and many customers have helped not only for the health they have regained, but also for the side effect of looking more beautiful or more handsome. Although we are not primarily a beauty company, we have heard from many customers that their skin has improved and they look younger after using our products. After that also, some clients were so keen to help promote our products that they even quit their high-paying jobs or businesses to work with us. And we started a new company in China. When clients visit us, our treatments gradually can help more people become more stable, meaning our services not only improve their health, but also their personality, and we are most happy to have helped people evolve and become, in a way, better people. This is our most precious reward of over 20 years of research, and the results have been very encouraging. In 2019, we undertook a major customer survey, and here are the results. On average, 97% of respondents reported an improvement in their quality of life. On average, 94% of respondents reported an improvement in their relationships. 96% of respondents reported improvement in their work performance. 95% of respondents reported an improvement in their emotions. And many of these improvements were very significant. For us, this is very important, as it helps us know our research is on the right track. So these customers' feedbacks are really very vital. So now, our company grows from our initial start in Hong Kong. We have now set up new institutes and companies in China, and hope to start centers in key places around the world in future. Our staff grows and more people come to us in person or in our own increasing online offerings. And because our technology uses codes and frequencies, these can be transposed to many products and services. So really, our approach can have a very broad application. It does give a feeling of hope for the future through the joy that can come from seeing change in people's lives. In our next video in this series, we'll explain our company culture and why this seems to have an important connection to the future of humanity. Thank you.